Hello everyone! Welcome back to Bull Market Bully. If you're looking to dive deep into stock analysis and gain insights like the pros, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a company with one of the biggest technological moats in the world, ASML Holding. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that you won't want to miss. And remember, if you find value in today's video, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more. Company Overview, ASML Holding. ASML Holding is a Dutch giant in the semiconductor equipment space, and let me tell you, they're not just any equipment supplier. ASML is the only company in the world capable of producing extreme ultraviolet, EUV lithography machines. These machines are essential for creating advanced microchips, used in everything from AI to 5G to next-gen consumer electronics. It's not an understatement to say that ASML holds the keys to the future of semiconductor manufacturing. Financial overview, revenue, profit margins, and growth rates. Now let's look at the numbers. ASML reported 7.5 billion euros in net sales and 2.1 billion euros in net income in Q3 of 2024. Their profit margins are impressive, with operating margins around 32.88%. However, they recently adjusted their 2025 sales forecast to between 30 billion and 35 billion euros, down from earlier projections. Why? The semiconductor market is facing a gradual recovery, impacting ASML's short-term growth expectations. But let's not overlook ASML's long-term potential. Their exclusive hold on EUV technology gives them a competitive edge that's hard to beat, and their financials reflect this strength. Yes, recent earnings may have led to a temporary dip in share prices, but for patient investors, this might be a classic opportunity. So what's shaping ASML's market? First off, global demand for high-performance chips is skyrocketing, driven by industries like AI, data centers, and autonomous vehicles. ASML's EUV machines are essential to producing these advanced chips, putting them right at the heart of the semiconductor boom. However, ASML faces challenges, particularly from US export restrictions affecting sales to China. ASML expects its revenue from China to fall from 50% to 20% by 2025 due to these restrictions. This means ASML will rely even more on regions like the US and Europe for growth. But here's the kicker. ASML's only real competitors, Nikon and Canon, focus on older DUV technology. Neither of them can compete with ASML's EUV dominance, making ASML's moat incredibly strong. Looking ahead, ASML's strong relationships with major players like TSMC and Intel are crucial. These partnerships ensure a steady demand for ASML's EUV machines and drive collaborative innovation in chip manufacturing. But ASML isn't free from risks. Geopolitical issues and fluctuating demand in the semiconductor sector add uncertainty. Additionally, as they're trading at a high PE ratio, any shortfall in growth could lead to volatility. However, ASML's strong balance sheet, impressive margins, and unique technology make it well-equipped to weather these challenges. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth stock analyses. Now let's talk strategy. Given ASML's high valuation, this stock might be best suited for investors with a long-term mindset. For those looking to buy, dips following market fluctuations or regulatory news could provide solid entry points. ASML's technological edge and essential role in the semiconductor supply chain make it a stock with strong compounding potential, though it comes with volatility. For income-focused investors, ASML's dividend yield is modest at around 1%, so this stock might not suit those seeking high dividends. Instead, it's an investment in future growth, supported by one of the strongest competitive moats in tech today. So, what's the verdict on ASML? I give ASML an A-. ASML is a leader with a monopoly on EUV technology, strong partnerships, and high profitability. The geopolitical and valuation risks are worth noting, but for long-term investors, ASML's unique position makes it a compelling stock. And as promised, here's that bonus tip. Watch for ASML's high-NA EUV technology. This next-gen technology promises even more advanced chip-making capabilities, enabling further miniaturization of semiconductors. ASML expects this to roll out over the coming years, and it could solidify their technological lead even further. High-NA EUV might be the next big growth driver, giving ASML an edge that could sustain their dominance for decades. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for tuning in. This is Bull Market Bully, helping you stay bullish with the best stock insights. See you next time.